Okay, so first thing first, we go to the Apple Store to download the Capcut app. I already have it downloaded, but I just want to show you how you can get it installed on your phone. So you open the Apple Store, that's if you're using an iPhone. Then you search for Capcut on the search bar. If you're using an Android phone, you can just download from Play Store. So you can see I already have it downloaded on my phone. So the other app we'll be using is called Photo Room. So you also download the Photo Room app. It's available on App Store and Play Store also. So these are the two apps we'll be using. You can see I already have it installed on my iPhone. Then moving on, we'll open the Capcut app. So I usually tell anyone I'm teaching to do this first default setting. You click on the setting icon up there on the right, then you click on you see this add default ending, so you turn it off. What this does, when you want to edit and you export your video after watching the full clip, at the end of the day you get this Capcut watermark showing on your video. So you come here, you click on discard, not keep, click on discard to turn it off. Then now we move on to opening a new project. So you click on this new project to start your whole editing process. Clicking a new project allows you to add videos to the videos you want to edit to your timeline. So you click on the new project to add. You select videos, you can select a single video, you can select multiple videos. So let's say I select one clip here, and let's say I'm going with this one. Then I click on add. Then this is what the interface looks like when you add a particular video. So let me walk us through a brief setup. See this 1080p we can see at the top right. That determines the quality of your video. So for me, I post and export my video on 2K. So you should even record your videos on 4K or 2K before even adding these videos to your Capcut. So that gives a better video experience, and when you export your video, it has higher quality. So select the 2K, 4K with the frame rate 30. Then we move on from there. So like I said, this is our interface. So I'm going to walk us through each part of this interface. So the first one I'll be showing us is called our preview window. So when you see the video playing, that's what we call the preview window. You play your video, you preview it to check your edit and all of that. You can also zoom into it to see it in a larger screen. So moving on, we'll be moving on to what we call the timeline. So the timeline is basically where all this editing takes place. You can add a lot of things here, do your edit and all of that. So that's what we call the timeline. You can still also add videos to your timeline. So that's it. So we're moving on to what we call the main toolbar. This part is called this toolbar. This toolbar, you can see edit, audio, text, overlay and all of that. That's the main toolbar. We also have what we call the sub toolbar. So the sub toolbar is when you select the clip, you see a different toolbar down there. These are what we call sub toolbar. All of these things is to make changes, effects on our video, just to make it look good and all of that. So on the next tutorial video, we'll go into details on each of these editing tools, how it works, what it's for, how we can apply it and get a better video experience. So see you in the next class. No worries.